In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MLS listings on your Wix website. If you want to display real estate listings on your Wix site, the most practical way to do it is by connecting through IDX, which stands for Internet Data Exchange. In simple terms, IDX allows approved real estate professionals to show MLS listings on their own websites while following industry rules and compliance requirements, instead of building this connection from scratch with custom code. The easiest approach on Wix is to use a third-party app designed specifically for real estate websites. These dedicated real estate apps help handle the technical side for you. They typically manage MLS compliance, connect the data feeds, and provide listing displays or search widgets that can be added directly to your site. That saves time and makes the process much more manageable, especially if you want a professional setup without dealing with a complex manual integration. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left sidebar and navigate to the area where you can add apps to your website. This is where Wix provides additional tools and integrations that expand your site's functionality. In the app marketplace, search for real estate applications such as iHome Finder Real Estate. When you find the app you want to use, click the option to add it to your site. Give it a few seconds to install and connect. After that, you'll usually be prompted to begin a free trial. Go ahead and start the trial so you can access the app's setup features and dashboard. The next part is very important. You will need to contact the app provider's support team so they can digitally verify your MLS membership and help you complete the required IDX paperwork. This approval process is what allows the app to legally and properly connect MLS data to your website, depending on your market and MLS organization. This can take a little time, so be patient and make sure all requested information is submitted accurately. Once your account is approved, return to the app dashboard. From there, you can customize your property search widgets based on how you want listings to appear on your website. For example, you may be able to adjust the layout, search options, and display style, so the widget matches the design of your Wix pages. After customizing it, place the widget into the pages where you want visitors to browse listings. At that point, your Wix website will be set up to display MLS property search functionality through the app. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.